I'm ready. Wait, what?
This is a civil emergency message. Doppelganger warning for Bikini Bottom and...
Huh?
Simpsons rerun this late? Sweet. Donut! Wait, what the...
God, Family Guy reruns on cable.
Sweet.
Freaking sweet.
Wait, what the hell?
Family Guy reruns on cable? Sweet. Freaking sweet. Wait, what the hell?
This is a civil emergency message. Doppelganger warning.
Ah, the TV's on fire! No!
Oh, God. Ah, TV's on fire.
Doppelganger warning for Quahog and adjacent towns. Shelter indoors immediately.
I'm ready. Wait, what? This is
The TV's so fun. Probably it's faithful.
Done well. Pretty nice evening, huh? Peaceful, quiet. Everything's just...
What do I do?
Oh? Something wrong, Master? Your eyes.
Giant deer one.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the break room before all the donuts are gone.
You think blow up?
What the hell? What the? I don't know. Hey, I do. Hey, I do. Hey, I do.
You shouldn't have looked this close.
Ah!